people like, get that camera on my face.
Stop!
It's so dark in here.
I know, right? Are you recording?
No.
Hi, my niggas!
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's black people here. I shouldn't speak.
Donovan, how are you feeling?
Tired as hell.
Nervous? I gotta pee.
Yeah, I'm tired too. I'm tired, and I'm really hungry.